a lot of creators in this world that use MacBook Pros, and that's what they're familiar with, that's what they like, but one of the things that they have an issue with is when they're trying to dabble into AI workflows. So, kind of give you a lay of the land, I have a MacBook Pro, it's an M4 Max, it's got 128 gigs of RAM, it's a fully loaded MacBook Pro. On the left side, I'm actually running a local version of Comfy UI, which is locally run and installed on the actual MacBook Pro. And on the right side, I have a DGX Spark plugged into the MacBook Pro. So I'm actually accelerating my AI workflows, and I'll show you the difference. If I run both of these workflows at the exact same time, roughly, you're going to see something really cool. First thing we're going to do is we're going to generate an image. When we generate an image, it's going through we're using Flux One with the NVIDIA FP4 model, so it's all accelerated with our hardware. So you're going to see within about 10 seconds, we're actually going to get the first image generated. There we go. That's done. So now we're going to run through our video pipeline. Our video pipeline, you can see we're actually using WAN 2.2. Now you're going to see when it comes down to it, it actually renders out like about 640 by 320-ish video. So we want to upscale that to 4K. So we've now introduced Nvidia RTX Video Super Resolution directly in the Comfy UI workflow. So we can actually upscale that to 4K within up to 2 seconds. So here you go. We actually have a full workflow finished from start to finish in about 38 seconds. I generated an image, I generated a video, and on the MacBook, it still hasn't even done the first image. At the end of the day, it's going to take about 8.5 minutes to do this entire workflow on the MacBook Pro. And on the DGX Spark, 38 seconds. So I can do multiple different iterations on the DGX Spark in the time that it's still taking to do one image on the MacBook Pro, not even considering the video export of it. So at the end of the day, DGX Spark, it lives on your desk, it lives in your home, it lives anywhere you want, it accelerates all your workflows, and what's nice is it's remotely accessible. So I actually have a Chrome window, so it's really easy. I can even grab my laptop if I want to. I can grab my iPhone, I can grab my iPad, anything I want, and then access the DGX Spark. And if you really want to, you can actually plug a monitor directly into the DGX Spark, keyboard and mouse, there's an interface, it's got a Ubuntu, and then you can play around that way as well.
I've got a question. Can you put two of the Sparks together?
Yes, you can. Great question. We actually have ConnectX 7 in the Spark that gives us 200 gigabytes a second, so we can actually network two of them stacked on top of each other.
Double your memory.
So there's 128 gigs of memory on this. So if you network them together, you can start making clusters of these Sparks, which is really cool. So yeah, that's the idea.